For millions of years, dinosaurs weren't just animals. They were the kings of Earth. But then, the sky betrayed them. 66 million years ago, a rock the size of a city, about 6 miles wide, was racing through space at 20 times the speed of a bullet. Close your eyes for a moment. No cars, no skyscrapers, no humans. Instead, imagine the ground trembling beneath your feet as giant shadows pass overhead. Creatures taller than buildings, faster than sports cars, and jaws powerful enough to snap bones like twigs. For 170 million years, these rulers dominated Earth. But then, in what felt like a single day, their world ended forever. The question is, what destroyed the dinosaurs? And more importantly, could something like that one day destroy us too? Dinosaurs first appeared more than 230 million years ago, when all continents were locked together in one giant landmass called Pangaea. At first, they weren't the terrifying monsters we imagine today. They were small, 2-meter-long creatures like Eoraptor, quick and nimble. But slowly, evolution began to push them into forms beyond imagination. Some grew feathers and learned to glide. Others developed armor and spikes to protect themselves. And some, like the ferocious raptors, became hunters with unmatched speed and intelligence. By the Jurassic period, dinosaurs had conquered every corner of the planet. The massive long-necked sauropods roamed through forests, stretching their necks toward the sky. Flying reptiles like pterosaurs soared above the clouds. And eventually, in the Cretaceous period, the legendary Tyrannosaurus rex appeared, 40 feet long, with the most powerful bite of any land animal in history. For millions of years, dinosaurs weren't just animals. They were the kings of Earth. But then, the sky betrayed them. 66 million years ago, a rock the size of a city, about 6 miles wide, was racing through space at 20 times the speed of a bullet. It slammed into what is now Mexico's Yucatán Peninsula. The impact released the energy of more than 1 billion Hiroshima bombs. In an instant, forests ignited, oceans rose in tsunamis taller than skyscrapers, and shockwaves tore through the planet. But the true killer wasn't just the explosion. It was what came after. Dust and ash filled the atmosphere, blocking the sun for months, maybe years. Temperatures plummeted, photosynthesis stopped, and plants withered away. Without plants, the herbivores starved. Without herbivores, the predators followed. It was a chain reaction that no species could escape. Within a relatively short time, 3 out of every 4 species on Earth had vanished, including every land-dwelling dinosaur. And yet, life has a way of surviving. Tiny mammals hiding underground, reptiles burrowed in the soil, and birds that could take to the skies endured the chaos. Strange as it sounds, the humble chicken is a distant cousin of the mighty T-Rex. That means dinosaurs never truly disappeared. They simply evolved into something new. So the next time you see a bird perched on a branch, remember, you're looking at the living legacy of creatures that once ruled the world. That asteroid marked Earth's 5th mass extinction. But scientists believe we're already living through the 6th one. And this time, it isn't a space rock. It's us. Deforestation, climate change, pollution. Species today are disappearing at a rate up to 1,000 times faster than normal. Oceans are choking with plastic. Forests are vanishing. Animals are running out of places to live. Here's the truth. Earth itself will survive. Life will adapt. It always does. But whether humans survive, that's another question entirely. Dinosaurs never saw their end coming. We can see ours, clear as day, and that gives us a choice. Dinosaurs ruled this planet for 174 million years. Humans? We've only been here for about 300,000, a blink in Earth's timeline. So, will we outlast the dinosaurs? Or disappear long before their record is broken? What do you think? Drop your answer in the comments. And if this story gave you chills, make sure to hit subscribe for more incredible journeys into history, science, and the mysteries of our planet. Because the next story might just change the way you see the world.